मित्रांनो, स्पोकन इंग्लिश सिरीजमध्ये तुमचं स्वागत आहे. थिंक इन इंग्लिश. हाऊ टू थिंक इन इंग्लिश. आर यू eager to hear about English? Today's lesson, learn English, common used English, because talk English, focus on speaking. The vocabulary presented in this session will be the most commonly used words, phrases in speaking with examples. मित्रांनो, चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा म्हणजे स्पोकन इंग्लिशच्या नवीन नवीन आयडियाज तुमच्यापर्यंत पोहोचवता येतील. आर यू रेडी? मेक इट इंग्लिश इझी. फ्रिक्वेंटली. फ्रिक्वेंटली means regularly, habitually, often. Frequently means regularly, habitually, often. Frequently म्हणजे वारंवार. Frequently म्हणजे पुन्हा पुन्हा. Frequently. For example, I went there frequently to observe their habits. Frequently. I went there frequently to observe their habits. Frequently, often, वारंवार. That's why. That's why means hence, therefore, thus, as a result, accordingly, that's why. That's why, as a result. That's why म्हणजे म्हणून. That's why म्हणजे म्हणून. As a result, for example, you didn't study well. That's why you didn't pass the exam. That's why you didn't pass the exam. Another example, it is very dangerous road. That's why people prefer to use another route. Another example, that's why she appears so happy. That's why she appears so happy. Here and there. Here and there. In various places. Here and there means in various places. Here and there. Here and there means वेगवेगळ्या ठिकाणी. इकडे तिकडे. इतस्तः. Here and there म्हणजे वेगवेगळ्या ठिकाणी. Example, the road runs between here and there. The road runs between here and there. वेगवेगळ्या ठिकाणी. Another example, a text is often changed here and there when it is copied. A text is often changed here and there when text is copied. Furthermore. Furthermore means in addition, means also. Furthermore, in addition, also. Furthermore म्हणजे तसेच. Furthermore म्हणजे याखेरीज, याशिवाय, सुद्धा, आणखी अधिक. Furthermore म्हणजे तसेच. For example, he is lazy and furthermore he has no sense of responsibility. Furthermore. Furthermore, in addition, याखेरीज. By and by. By and by means before long, eventually, ultimately. By and by means ultimately. By and by म्हणजे द्वारा. By and by म्हणजे आणि. By and by द्वारा आणि. For example, I think, however, She will learn quickly enough by and by. Another example, sit down, have a rest. By and by, you will be feeling well. Rather than means instead of, in place of, rather than, instead of, in place of, rather than म्हणजे ऐवजी, च्या ऐवजी, rather than म्हणजे च्या शिवाय, rather than. For example, I think I will just have a sandwich rather than a full meal. Another example, thankfully, most times people react rather than ask questions. Rather than च्या ऐवजी out and out. Out and out means complete, absolute, total. Out and out, totally. Out and out म्हणजे पूर्णपणे. Out and out म्हणजे पूर्णपणे. For example, I hope it's an out and out fabrication. Another example, it was out and out war between us. Out and out. Off and on. Off and on means sometimes. Starting and stopping. Starting and stopping. Off and on म्हणजे कधी कधी, मधून मधून, सुरू होऊन बंद पडणारा, थांबून थांबून. Off and on. For example, it rained off and on all day. For example, the electricity has been off and on for the past 5 hours since the storm hit. Off and on. Most of the time. Most of the time means very often. Almost. Always. Most of the time. Most of the time म्हणजे बहुतांश वेळा. Most of the time म्हणजे बहुतांश वेळा. For example, I can speak German but speak English most of the time. But speak English most of the time. Most of the time. In lieu of. In lieu of means in the place of. Means instead of. In lieu of. In the place of. In lieu of म्हणजे च्या ऐवजी, त्याच्या जागी, त्याच्या ऐवजी, च्या जागी. In lieu of. In lieu of means त्याच्या ऐवजी. For example, they took cash in lieu of the prize they had won. In lieu of च्या ऐवजी. Hence. Hence. Hence means therefore, thus, as a result, accordingly, for the reason. Hence means for the reason. Hence म्हणजे म्हणून. Hence म्हणजे अशा प्रकारे, औपचारिक, या कारणासाठी, परिणामतः, या कारणास्तव. Hence म्हणजे म्हणून. For example, the purse is handmade and hence very expensive. Another example, I shall go to Japan and hence will not be here in time for the party. Hence, anyway. Anyway means in spite of something. Anyway means in any case. Anyway means even so. In any case. Anyway. In any case. Anyway. म्हणजे च्या शिवाय. च्या खेरीज. तथापि. Anyway. म्हणजे च्या शिवाय. च्या खेरीज. तथापि. Anyway. म्हणजे तरी पण. म्हणजे तरी देखील. Anyway म्हणजे एखादी गोष्ट असली तरी. Anyway. For example, it's too late now. Anyway. It's too late now. Anyway. For example, I'm afraid I can't come to your party. But thanks anyway. But thanks anyway. Anyway. तरी देखील. तरी पण. Apart from. Apart from means besides, as well as, in addition to, except for. Apart from means besides, as well as, in addition to. Apart from. Apart from means च्या खेरीज. चा अपवाद करता. सोडून. च्या व्यतिरिक्त. Apart from म्हणजे च्या खेरीज. सोडून. For example, apart from music, she also loves sport and reading. Another example, apart from the saggy roof, the cottage is in pretty good shape. Apart from च्या खेरीज. Whenever. Whenever means no matter when. At any time. Whenever. At any time. No matter when. Means no matter when. Whenever. Whenever म्हणजे कोणत्याही वेळी. कधीही. जेव्हा असेल तेव्हा. जेव्हा जेव्हा हवे तेव्हा. Whenever म्हणजे कोणत्याही वेळी. कधीही. Whenever. For example, I will bring you back here whenever you want. Another example, you can borrow my car whenever you want. Whenever you want. Intermittently. Intermittently means continuously, in the way that does not happen regularly. Continuously, in the way that stops and starts repeatedly, with periods in between. Intermittently. Intermittently means थांबून. थांबून. मधून. मधून. Intermittently म्हणजे थांबून. थांबून. मधून. मधून. For example, the weather grew intermittently warmer. The weather grew intermittently warmer. थांबून. थांबून. मधून. मधून. The weather grew intermittently. My friends, you want to speak in English confidently, fluently. In order to do that, use words and expressions in real life. Make it English easy. Don't be shy. Don't be frightened. Don't be hesitant. Speak English as usual with confidently. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.